This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 85 of Building Kitt from Knight Rider. This is a quick build episode. It's basically the duplicate but mirror image of 83. So if you watched that a couple of times back, then you'll know what to expect. We are starting on season 4, episode 1, Night of the Juggernaut. The Foundation team goes to Chicago. Radioactive isotope. Ooh. Criminals trying to steal it. Oh no. Cool. It's a big juggernaut that Kitt must be up against. Looks like some sort of tank. So yeah, but there we go. That's that one. Lots of jumping and flying involved in that. Cool. Striking scene in the episode, the first half of the story. Final attack by the Juggernaut. Ooh. Yes, so we've got the left wing, which we're putting the reflective indicator in place, and that's it basically. Why do I feel like there's another page there? There's another page there. There we go. Look. Yes, so single screw and another screw. They're spreading it out a bit, but there we go. That's what we're going to end up with, the mirror of what we had last time. And then next time we're going to fit it. Secret files at Juggernaut, obviously the big truck thing. So yeah, let's, without further ado, get it done. Yep, there we go. Exactly the same, but mirrored from last time. That's where the little indicator light, I say light, not illuminated, but it is still a light, isn't it? It's a reflective light. Using these supplied EM screws. I didn't actually look in the instructions to see if that was the ones to use, but that's the only ones they've given us. So it's a pretty safe bet that I can't get them out of the packet. Here we go, 2 out of there, leave that one spare. So we have the reflective piece go in place like so, and then that goes over the top. It'll go that way around, isn't it? Once again, it's got that little notch bit there. Maybe there is a light to go into it. Oh no. Maybe it's just for a bit of illumination from, can't be from that side because there's obviously a blanking piece there, but well, we only do what we are told to do. So I shall put that in place on there with these 2 screws. Went in far too easy. I don't know what happened there. They lined up and went into the right place. Something's going to be wrong. I'll have something upside down or something. But there we go. So that is that. After tightening those up, that will be completed and good to go. It's a little bit reflective, but not overly so. But it's fine. It's fine. It does what it does. I'm not going to be using the indicators anyway. So that is that. Now, next time we're going to be putting the other bits onto here again and fitting this as well as fitting the scanner, the nose cone. So I'm looking forward to that quite a lot. So thank you for watching this bit. I'll see you soon for something a little bit more interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.